Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got some subscriptions, we got some fun try-ons, getting ready for Disney World, so I can't believe it, like 10 inches of snow out there, but we're gonna try on short sleeve shirts. Let's get into it and check it out. Believe how close we are getting to our Disney trip. We are so excited. But when I went looking through all of my clothes that were left over from summer, I didn't love my choices. So I've just ordered some basic t-shirts. Just some new, I'm hoping, tunic length basic t-shirts that I could wear over leggings or over jeans, anything I want. So I'm not asking much of the tops, just that they be everything for me. But first, let's do our subscriptions. We have the Vellabox. Vellabox is an artisanal candle subscription. It comes monthly. It comes in 3 sizes. You pick the one that's perfect for you. It is sent to me for review and I am an affiliate. I will put the link down below, and with my code you will get 50% off. With Catherine 50, you will get 50% off your first box. Each month they work with a different candle maker to make clean candles. I can't get this box open. It's so subtle about it. To make cleaner candles, it can't have phthalates, it can't have paraben, obviously no lead in the wax, just better for you candles. Look how pretty that is. I'll be where the stars meet the snow. That is so perfect for the days that we've been having. You know, we've gone through a couple of years around here with not a lot of snow, and we had a pretty decent sized storm the other day, and I just love it. I love the way it looks. Each month, oh, socks. Each month you will also get a bonus. Oh my gosh, this is the bonus. Let's just jump right into it because it's flippin' adorable. Look at that. It is socks with little candles on it. I'm putting this on in a minute. The cotton of them, they feel fantastic. We have our paperwork that will also tell us about our candle. You get the bonus regardless of which size candle you choose. These are Vella & Company Happy Candle Crew Socks. So cute. 85% cotton, 10% poly, 5 spandex, and they feel like a really nice quality sock. I am very pleased with that. I will be putting those on in a minute because I don't have anything on my feet. I'm getting ready to do a try on, and you know, my husband always says you should cover up your feet. I mean, granted, I have lovely feet. I have my feet so low on the list of things I'm gonna worry about. Oh my gosh, look how cute those are. I love that. I'm putting those on in just a minute. And this is the candle I chose. When you sign up, you will tell them a lot about you. Your favorite scents, your favorite eating things, I think, maybe colors. They ask you so many questions because each month with the candle maker that they work with, they make like 3 different candles, and then they will pick the one that's best for you based on your profile, and it's always worked for me. They're always absolutely gorgeous. This is Après Ski. It's one of our brown ones. I've still got, that's the pumpkin one. The Christmas one I took downstairs, so it never made it up here. Maybe this one will get to live up here for the rest of winter. We'll see. I'm in a very après ski mood with all of the snow outside. Oop, don't look at it. Don't look at it, just smell it. Oh, it's, oh my goodness. I have no idea what that is. I'm so bad at this. I'm embarrassed by how bad I am at this. It smells kind of vanilla-y. Is there booze in there a little bit? Slightly, maybe a little bit floral. It's like all of the things, and yet not too much. This is fantastic. This is one of my favorites. Smells like a warm bar, a cool drink, smoked marshmallow, and Palo Santo. Well, the warm bar, because I said booze and marshmallow, that covers my vanilla. I regardless of what this says, feel like I nailed it already. Après Ski, smoky marshmallow, vanilla, sandalwood, amber, Palo Santo. From the first chair to the last call, time to loosen those ski boots, dry out the hestress. It's probably an inside joke for all the skiers out there. I have no idea what it means. And cozy up to a beverage. Après Ski smells like a warm bar, a cool drink, a smoked marshmallow, and Palo Santo. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe it's the Palo Santo. It smells so good. And it's from the, oh, I should say this is probably very important. It's from the Sierra Soapbox Candle Company. And that's the artisan that they will have worked with. So it's just a nice, this is the 16 ounce. It's just a nice brown jar. I use it, and I will link it below because so many people talk about it when I do. I use them with, generally speaking, except for the ones I burn up here, I use with the candle warmer downstairs. So you can use them for ever, maybe. I'll get back to you on that. So far, forever. I'm sure they make no claims like that, but what a candle warmer does is you don't light it. It just melts the top layers. So you get the scent disbursement, but then when you turn the candle off, it just rehardens. And it does get a little weird looking on, not weird, weird is a weird word, but you can tell it's been melted. It's not perfect like this anymore. Oh, it smells so good. But they keep making scent. And I've told myself, when it quits making scent, I can just pour off the top layer and let it burn the next layer down. Sure, in theory, I can do that. I haven't had to do that on even one of my candles yet. Yeah, that is fantastic. So that is the Vellabox candle subscription. Again, I will put all of the information down below, along with my code, Catherine50. It will get you 50% off. I couldn't get it split on. And that is what it looks like, and you will get your bonus. Oh, sucks. I'll show them to you over there when we try on our shirts. And our other subscription that we have today, you guys know, is absolutely one of my favorites. It's the Southern Fleek Bath. I'm not sure what this is going to be because it ships later in the month, which if it comes once a month, I don't care when it comes. But this might be my December box. Let's check it out. I suspect it is, and it is because it looks like a gift. Southern Fleek December Bath. Oh, this is all of the information. I'll have to tell you, I don't know if this is her new choice, but that is much easier for me to read. Open it up like it's our present. Okay, right on top we have peppermint bark bubbly bath salts. Doesn't that look so cute? And you know what? It's gonna smell even better because that's what Nikki does. She makes all of the things smell fantastic. That smells just like peppermint bark. Oh, I'll be using that this evening. Of course, I always say that with the first thing out of the box, and then I have to regret it through the rest of the boxes because I want to be like, no, maybe I'll use this. No, maybe I'll use this. This sounds fantastic. She tells us that fizzy bath salt, they're gonna fizz. These peppermint bark scented bath salts will fizz and bubble when dissolved under running water. The mouth-watering scent of dark chocolate and peppermint is absolute perfection. And if you had a shower box, which brings me to the next point, she does other boxes. She does a shower box, she does a men's box. I think she might do a kid's box. I might have made that up. I don't think I did though. Also, she does the laundry booster, which walks a very thin line with me between what is my favorite thing that Nikki does, because I do love all of her bath products. I love all of them. Man, do I love that laundry booster. It makes my laundry smell so good. But this was our first, and it is the Fizzy Bubbly Bath Salt. Oh my gosh, what is this? This is so cute. Oh, it's just a sweet little treat from her. And it says, to Catherine from Nikki, and it's got 2 candy canes and a couple of candies in it. That is so cute. Oh, the candies. They're Hershey's Kisses that look like Grinch hats. Can you see that? Did they have these all Christmas and I didn't even notice? Those are adorable. Okay, next out, we have what looks to be a present, but I'm betting that it's a bath bomb because it feels like a bath bomb. Aw, look how pretty that is. It's like a little present that you tuck in your bath. It is a large moisturizing gift-shaped bath fizzy scented in Vanilla Bean Noel. It smells a little bit like fur in there too, so that might be the Noel. It smells like vanilla bean for sure, but there's something about it that has that Christmassy smell. It is hand painted and has colored embeds inside, so it's not gonna stay white. Once you put it in your bath, you're gonna get little fizzies of different colors. That is always so fun. Next out, this one says naughty, nice, or I tried. I really feel like that sums me up. I tried. Naughty or nice, I mean I tried. That is super cute, and it is a bath bomb. The surprise reveal bath bomb will tell you if you've been good or bad depending on the color that's inside your bath. Oh, what fun. What does that mean? Oh, that smells lovely. Kind of perfumery. Not at all Christmassy to me. Just like very pretty lady smell. I like that a lot. I'm not going to say something like I might try that one tonight. I can't do them all. Could you do them all? Can you imagine if you did them all? Ooh, that's pretty. That says it is a fizzy bath bomb. This bath bomb will make bubbles and moisturize your skin too. Just dissolve under running water and enjoy. The scent is twisted peppermint. Yummy peppermint with marshmallow. Oh, that's good. Wow. That is fantastic. And that's what it is. It's a very sweet peppermint. So that marshmallow always reads kind of vanilla-y to me. It smells so good. Okay, and last out. This is adorable. I mean to tell you, this is adorable. They are Grinch bath bombs. And can you see it's got the little heart in there? How stinking cute is that? Grinch bath bombs. This bag of mini lime green bath bombs with a soap. Oh, it's soap. It's a soap Grinch heart inside will make your water a bright green. Use just a few or a lot and make your heart grow larger. That is so cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, the first time, I'll probably drop like 2 or 3 in and see how that does. Let's see what they smell like. What did it say? Did it tell us what it smells like? It didn't. It's a surprise. I probably didn't have to open it. I probably could have just sniffed the bag. That always feels a little weird when I'm just sniffing the outside. Oh, it's citrusy. What is that? No, it's green apple. That's a green apple scent. So yeah, final answer, green apple scented. That is just too cute. So this was our December box. We had our Grinch bath bombs, our peppermint bark bath salts, our naughty nice or I tried bath bomb that smells lovely like perfume. This one smells like peppermint and vanilla. And then this bath bomb, that is, what was this one? This was Vanilla Bean Noel, right? Yeah, so it's kind of vanilla beanie, but maybe a little fur to it. And then a little bag of snack treats. That is so cute. Last but not least, I have 3 t-shirts to try on. I ordered them from Amazon because it's easy. That's not always the best reason, but I was just looking in the middle of winter for some nice tunic length t-shirts. And that's not as easy as you would think. If you have a favorite tunic length t-shirt out there that you just love, be sure and let me know down below from whence you purchased it. These are nice and lightweight. Oh my gosh, this one feels so perfect for Disney. It is so nice and lightweight, and it's just a plain short sleeve black t-shirt, just kind of a crew neck. It looks good and long, so we'll try that on. Next, we have this. I know, look at me going out there with florals. The only reason I couldn't decide about this is I couldn't decide if this floral looked too grandmotherly. Bearing in mind, I am a grandmother. That's what I always say now. Does this look too much like a grandmother? Because I am a grandmother. Ooh, this one looks nice and long too. That is what that looks like. And it has what they were calling a tulip sleeve. It kind of opens and overlaps. I'll show you that. I'm not sure if I love it or if I hate it. You guys know I have really big upper arm issues because of the weight that I lost. And it has grommets at the neckline. We will check all of that out. These are not my only concern with Disney. Not high cotton content t-shirts. I would be surprised, honestly, if there's cotton in this at all. It feels very poly. 95 rayon, 5 span. So, okay. The first black one I showed you is 60 poly, 35 rayon, 5 span. And then the last one is another black t-shirt. I think they call this one a Henley. Oh, this is another really lightweight one. This is pretty long too. Yeah, this one, oh no. This is gonna look like a maternity top on me. This is gonna look like a maternity top on me. I didn't realize that it doesn't go all the way. Oh, it goes all the way around. Well, we'll put it on and we'll see. It has, see below the bust, it has a seam with then gathered. Okay, well, we'll try it on. Let's check out the blend of this one. It is 95 rayon, 5 span. Okay. Let's try. Choosing black pants, I might not have made the smartest decision, but can you guys see? The shirt is down here to my crotchal area. It fits my arms. I wish it were a little longer, but unless I'm doing this, which you know a person does do in Disney World, when you're just standing, it's just a really good fit. I will put the sizing for this down below, but you can see my biscuits are covered. My belly is covered. It's kind of thin, so you are kind of getting the lumpies and the bumpies, but she's really comfortable. I mean, it's lightweight. It feels really good. It's a nice. Okay, I was going to shoot that again from the beginning, but you guys know me. You just know me. So let's take another shot of it. See how suddenly this isn't choking me? Yeah, I had it on backwards. So let me show you the links again. Oh, it fits so much better. Oh my gosh, it fits, everything about it fits so much better front to back. That's hilarious. I'm so much happier with it. It's looser, so they must give you a fuller cut on the front. It's hanging better. Oh my gosh, I love it. I mean, I liked it before, don't get me wrong, but now it's even better. It doesn't feel anywhere near as tight. The crew on it is perfect. It's just a perfect little crew. It looks pretty with these little necklaces. Oh, and by the way, look how cute the socks are. Little crew socks. I just tucked the leggings right into it because, you know, that's what all the fashionable people are doing. Okay, I like this one a lot. This is a definite. I may see if they have it in a couple other colors. I'm not sure with this one. You guys are gonna have to let me know. On one hand, it feels kind of grandma. I honestly think that that's to do with this cute tulip sleeve. See how it lifts? Oh, I can't show you. How am I gonna show you? Hold on. See how it lifts here? So it crisscrosses, but it lays really nicely. And you guys know I'm just so hyper aware of my arms. I like the way it hangs on me though. I've got good biscuit coverage. I've got nice belly coverage. It's super duper comfortable. It's kind of stylish with these grommets in the V-neck. I don't know. In my everyday life, I'd be a little more like, ugh. I'm just not sure about this. But to have another shirt for Disney that's just kind of cool and comfy, that's kind of where this is. I like that it's kind of away from my body. Of course, that's probably to do with sizing too. I will put the links and the sizing that I did down below for you guys. But I kind of like it. You guys let me know. Do you think I would be absolutely miserable in it? I think, or maybe even with a partial front tuck. Are we so overdoing that? Into a pair of jeans? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Moving on to the last black shirt. I don't know. This is kind of like the other one. My instinct is to be like, no. Can you guys see it though? I'll get in closer in a second. It might be that it's a little too big, although I do like that it's a little too big because, granted, we're going in February, so it's not going to be super hot. That said, it could be super hot. So I like the idea of having something that if I take a couple of sweaters, I can throw a sweater over. But that if it turns off hot, I'm also not going to swelter in because, you know, your girl gets hot quick and in a hurry. Love the sleeve length. The sleeve length is really nice. Like the V-neck. I think they called it a hen length because it has just a few buttons right here. It's this that's the problem. Can you guys see? There's a seam right here and it's gathered. Like for when I was pregnant 100 years ago, it looks like a maternity top. That said, look how long it is. I love that length because I could wear it with leggings. I was trying to see how it, you know what I mean? How it swings when I walk. It's low enough. It's not sitting right up under my chest. So I don't feel like, guys, let me know what you think, okay? Because I absolutely can't decide. I just can't decide. It's really, really comfortable. And I don't think any of them are over $20. I don't think. I will link it all down below for you. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you guys taking the time to be here with me. I'm sorry, my room, you can see her there, getting a little cluttered. You can see all of my, oh no, you can't. You can't here, let me show you. You can't see. I love diamond painting. I even have some over there. But what are you gonna do with it? I just don't know. And look, more to do. I think I might have a problem. Okay, let me know how you feel about the shirts. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you guys taking the time to be here. I hope you are having a fabulous new year. We're gonna start getting ready for Disney/spring. All right, thank you so much again, guys. I hope you have a fantastic evening. Let me know about the shirts and I will link everything that we talked about down below. Have a great evening, guys.